Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to Google Assistant instead of Gemini. So let's get started. What you want to do is open a Google application and let's go to home page of Google. Now you want to tap your profile icon in the top right and let's select settings. Now scroll down until you see Gemini option and let's keep scrolling to reach section digital assistants. So now here you will find option to choose between digital assistants, and if you prefer using Google Assistant, simply select and press switch to confirm. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helps you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.